If you're a contractor that sends proposals out to customers, and when they accept them, you'd love to be able to send out postcards to the 25 closest houses to that customer, letting them know that you're going to be doing work in the neighborhood, I want to show you how you can use Zapier and a really slick tool called SendJim to automatically send postcards to the immediate proximity of the people that you're already doing work for. So if that's of interest, stick around because that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris. I am the owner of Boolean Automation. We work specifically with painting contractors to help them automate as much of their business as possible. One of the most common things that we do is we help identify the correct tech stack or the list of softwares that you're going to need to get you to the goals that you have for your business. And depending upon whether you're running a $500,000 solo owner operator business or a $15 million painting business with W-2 employees and overhead staff in the office, the software that you're going to need is very, very different. We are experts at any tool in the software or in the painting world that is a software. We know inside and out, and we've got developers on our team that can automate just about anything. We had a client ask us if we could pull Google Maps images of their project so we could, like a street view image, so we could see what the house looks like and load that into the project file. Another client wanted to know how far away projects were from their shop so that they could reimburse for mileage. We pull Zillow prices off of Zillow's API, recent sale dates, things like that. Literally anything that you want to automate in your business probably can be automated if you have a process. So that's what we do at Boolean. Now let's get into this video on automating postcards to the immediate proximity of the places you're doing business. So I'm going to jump into Zapier here. And I first want to say, regardless of the tool you're using, whether that's Drip Jobs or Paint Scout or Estimate Rocket or Sumo Quote or any other thing, as long as that tool has an integration with Zapier, which all the ones that I mentioned do, and you can trigger based on a quote being accepted, you'll be able to do this. So I'm going to say Paint Scout quote accepted, send mailer in SendJim. And this AI feature, by the way, super helpful, just saves you some time on picking out the apps that you want. So it's going to bring in the steps that we need. And I want to do quote. And then we're going to do the action, or let's do the action here. So let's change the event that we want to. So we're going to say quote status change. And then we're going to connect it to our account. So we have the Boolean YouTube Paint Scout. And continue. And then we want to go to the accepted. So when the stage is accepted, the quote view is going to be, actually we'll just keep keep that the same. Quote type can be anything. Okay. So now inside my Paint Scout account, I want to go to my estimates and I'm going to have this one that is sent. I'm going to, let's actually go to what the customer sees and we're going to preview and accept this. So accept estimate, sign, accept, and then I can go test. Now we'll see this pop up. And this one is for, let's see if this is the Maximo one. It's refreshing. Here we go. This is the one that we want. I believe it should be, what's our total amount here? 3,000. I'm just going to copy this and search for these numbers. 291. Let's do that. So search for 291. And there we go. We got the 3,291. That's the total. Now, all I need to do, and again, keep in mind that you could do a whole series of things when a quote is accepted. You could go update your CRM system, whatever, but specifically, this tool, SendJim, is super, super awesome. And you can send a neighborhood mailing to the houses near you. I do not have a SendJim account. I've actually requested that they give me a demo account so I could make some more content, but I'm not kidding you. The process is, it takes maybe another 30 seconds. I can't show you right here, but I would connect the account, move on. And then what happens is I take the address. So let's pretend that this is SendJim. If I'm just using like Gmail instead, I could take the address from the Paint Scout quote. So I'm just going to select my email. And if this was where I was putting this, I could say in the Paint Scout quote, I want to have the address. So I'm going to do the job address and I can use the address and the city, the state, the zip, all that. I could pass that information into SendJim and then say, how many do you want? Do you want 25, 50, 100, whatever it is? And then it automatically, every time a quote is accepted, those 25 closest houses get that postcard. So how cool is that? I love this. If this is interesting and you'd like to see more specific tutorials on SendJim, drop a comment down below. Let me know. I'd be happy to make a lot more content on that. And like I said, at Boolean, our mission is to free you up to do what you love. So if you're a painter and you're trying to get out of all the busy work and data entry in your business, we can help you. We'd love to chat. Grab some time down below. Thanks so much. My name is Chris, and this is Boolean. We'll see you in the next video.